Good evening. Welcome to the credit card application desk. I am Casey Arbanati, your credit card officer. Today, I will evaluate your application based on the bank's compliance rules.
I'd like to apply for a credit card because I often shop online once stolen functions.
Alright, ma'am, Noemi. I need some information. Employment status, monthly income, valid IDs and at least one proof of billing.
I'm a freelance online seller. I don't have a fixed salary, but I may be pending a business.
Based on this information, unfortunately, you don't meet our compliance rules. The requirement is a stable employment or documented regular income since you don't have to fix pay slip. Your application cannot be approved.
But I do earn sometimes even more than a regular job.
I understand, but the bank requires documented proof of stable income. Without that, we cannot proceed.
Hello, Ma'am Noemi. I'm Bihasa, a supervisor here. Let me clarify, it's not that you don't earn, but compliance rules are for risk management. Without documented income, it's hard to assess repayment ability. If you fail to pay, penalties can include late payment fees and interest charges. If you exceed your credit limit, there are overload penalties. If your card is lost, you must report it immediately so your information stays protected.
I see. So it's not just about earning, but about having documents to prove it.
Exactly. You can reapply once you have formal proof of income, like pay slips, tax returns, or a business plan.
Good evening. I'm employed at an IT company. I have a regular salary. Company IDs, slip and profitability.
Perfect non-genesis, you meet all compliance rules, stable employment, documented income, IDs, and so your credit card application is approved.
Thank you, ma'am. What should I do I keep in mind?
Here are the important reminders. Due date, pay on or before the due date to avoid penalties. Card limit, don't exceed your limit or you'll be charged. Lost card, report it immediately to block the card and protect your information. And the last is installments. You use them for big purchases, but you make sure you can pay monthly.
Compliance rules aren't made to make it hard for applicants. They ensure that cardholders can manage credit responsibly.